Connecting your CRM with Facebook ads allows you to sync leads, track conversions, and personalize ad campaigns based on customer data. Here's how to integrate them. Choose a compatible CRM. Popular CRMs like HubSpot, Zoho, Salesforce, and MailChimp offer direct integration with Facebook ads through built-in tools or third-party platforms like Zapier or LeadsBridge. Connect your Facebook account. In your CRM dashboard, go to the integration settings and connect your Facebook Business Manager account. Grant necessary permissions to access ad accounts, pages, and lead forms. Sync Facebook lead forms. Set up synchronization between Facebook lead ads and your CRM. This automatically imports new leads into your CRM in real time, helping your sales team follow up faster. Map lead fields. Match fields from Facebook with your CRM's contact fields to ensure clean data transfer. Track conversions. Use the Facebook Pixel and CRM tracking tools to measure ad performance. Some CRMs let you send back conversion data to optimize campaigns using Facebook's algorithm. Automate follow-ups. Trigger emails, SMS, or task assignments in your CRM the moment a Facebook lead is captured.